Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer receipts to Expensify from Gmail attachments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account. Locate the email containing the receipt you want to transfer. Open the email to view its contents. Look for the attachment, typically found at the bottom of the email. Download the receipt attachment by clicking on the download icon. Save the file to a directory on your computer where you can easily find it. Next, open your Expensify account in your web browser. Log in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once in Expensify, navigate to the Create button located on the dashboard. Select Expense from the drop-down menu. In the Expense Creation window, look for the option to upload a file. Click on the Upload File option, which may be represented by a paperclip icon. Locate the downloaded receipt file from your computer. Select the file and click Open to upload it to Expensify. Fill in any required fields related to the expense, such as the date, category, or amount. Review the details to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Submit button to finish the process. Your receipt is now successfully transferred to Expensify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.